Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio 2022. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and log in first onto your TikTok account. Once you're already logged in, just go ahead and press onto this plus icon here onto the middle part to add in your own video. So this is the part wherein we could go ahead and choose a video or where we could go ahead and upload a video of our choice. So for example, I want to use a specific video that I have here onto my device. Click onto next and then you should get redirected here onto the screen. Now to go ahead and edit this video, we have the editing option here or the editing studio here onto the upper part. Click onto edit to proceed, and to go ahead and split the video, you'll just need to go ahead, slide left and right onto the video to go ahead and choose where you want to go ahead and split the video. So for example, here around 4 seconds, let's click onto the video and there is a split icon. Click onto that and it should go ahead and split the video just like that. Now you could split again in here, and if you want to remove the middle part, simply click onto the icon, delete it, and as you can see, we have removed the split part. So that is how easy you could go ahead and split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.